more goodies for the STI. Now what's in this box I've wanted to do for a long time, but they've been quite hard to get my hands on. So this was kind of a out of nowhere purchase. It's nothing crazy because literally every person has these on their Impreza. That's why it was so hard for me to get a set of these. I saw a place that finally got them back in stock after I've been waiting months and months. So finally, I have a set. We have acquired a beautiful pair of these LED C-style headlights for the STI. Now, as I said, literally everybody has these on their car, on their Subarus, Hawkeyes, you know, the model that I have, super popular headlight option. That's why I think it was so hard for me to get a set of these, but we finally got some. And also with the sequential tail lights that I have, I just know these are just gonna look so good, especially on a white car. I think these are just gonna look like absolutely incredible. Super easy to install, pretty much plug and play. However, they did come with this stray wire that is labeled indicator sequential. Pretty much what that does is turns the C part of the headlight into a flashing blinker. Not sure how I feel about that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. It might be a bit too much. If not, if we don't go that route though, the blinker will just be right here in this little globe here. So not sure if I will be doing the sequential indicator. I think this is going to top off the exterior of the build. I want to keep it nice and OEM looking how it is now. I did get rid of the big Varus wing, which you would have seen, and I'm rocking the factory wing. I sold the Varus wing because I'm just trying to keep that sleek OEM kind of look. And I think these are just going to top it off, make it perfect. So without further ado, let's pull the bumper off, pull the old headlights out, get everything swapped onto the new headlights. It's pretty much plug and play if we choose to leave that wire not connected. So yeah, let's get into it. Now before I put them back on the car, I'm just going to quickly throw on a ceramic coating over the plastic, just to keep them protected over the summer so they don't fade. Okay, here's a little side-by-side comparison. Oh yeah, that's the money shot. Oh, looks so good. So installing the headlights, they look great, but the video isn't going to be long enough. So I have a box here from Perrin. We got some Perrin stickers.
which I don't think I have in the car, so I'll be putting these on. We have their wrinkle black radiator shroud, which is going to look bloody phenomenal. And then I also have a new red STI front badge. Let me show you the difference between this and the old one. Now we might have to take the bumper off to install this, but look at the difference between that. That is going to make such a nice difference to the front end of the car and go with our new C-style headlights. So it sits there. Looks like we just have to remove the radiator brackets. What a beautiful piece. And then we just pop all our grille clips back in. So I've just taken the car down to a nice quiet road to show you the final result. The badge looks amazing and this radiator shroud is looking even better, matching with the alternator shroud as well. I've been doing a bit of filming for a separate video in between with this video as well, installing some parts like a fuel pump put in the car the other day, the blow off valve, and I have some injectors as well to put in the car. So not really supposed to be driving it right now, but the other day the battery was flat and I had to jump it, so I'm just going to take it for a quick drive just to keep it moving before it gets remapped, which is in 5 days. So tune in 5 days with the injectors and the boost controller and all that good stuff is going to be put on this car. And there's going to be a whole nother video on that, so make sure to turn on notifications. This was a nice quick video with the headlights and the badge and the nice little shroud we did. I think it's looking absolutely beautiful. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a few days when this car hits the dyno again.